Okay, now this is a great one. This is about ordering fractions. You can't really beat that. So now a lot of times people see all this right here and they're like, I don't even know what to do. So my first thing I'm going to tell you is completely ignore all the answers. Okay? Just ignore all the answers. There we go. That's a lot more manageable now. So let me switch that back so I don't forget. Now it says order from greatest to least. Remember, that means biggest to smallest. Okay? Big to small. Now, if you look at all these fractions at once, that seems like a lot. Okay? But I got this patented way that you can break it down and you will be fine. First thing I do is I always draw a number line. Okay? Now, for most of these, if you just do the same thing, it'll be easy. So, like, you start at 0, and then, like, your biggest you get is a 2 or a 3 or something, and then put a 1 in the middle. This is a number line to help you not exactly position each of these fractions, but to find a way to position them like next to each other. Okay? So you have this number line. What do you do next? Well, now you just look at the first one. 10 over 11. Is 10 over 11 smaller than 1? Or is it bigger than 1? Okay? So what you can do to figure that out is you can always take it like candy bars. You can say, okay, I have a candy bar that is chopped into 11 equal pieces. I'll just say 11 pieces. And then I have this candy bar that I chop into 11 pieces, and I offer you, my best friend, 10 pieces. Is that more or less than that whole candy bar? Okay. Then you say, well, it's less than the whole candy bar. Awesome. So that means that 10 over 11 is less than 1. And now it doesn't matter where you put this. You can put this anywhere. So I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, that one's done. Next, what about 10 over 10? Well, you may know what 10 over 10 is and you may not. That's okay. So let's say you don't. You could say, okay, well, candy bar. I break a candy bar into 10 pieces. And I offer you, my best friend, 10 of these pieces. Oh, wait, that's a whole candy bar. That is one whole candy bar. So this one is a 10 over a 10. Okay? Look, we've already got two fractions down. Next one, 12 ninths. Oh man, so we can do the candy bar thing again. Is 12 ninths bigger than 1 or less than 1? Well, it's bigger than 1. Because if this candy bar is broken into 9 pieces and I offer you 12, I have to break up a whole other candy bar for you. Okay? So I already used red, let's use orange. So 12 ninths. Okay? Next, 8 elevenths. Now I think we got the hang of it. We know 8 elevenths is less than 1. So now the question is 8 elevenths less than 10 elevenths or more than 10 elevenths? Well, if I have an 11-piece candy bar and I like candy bars, I probably want to eat 10 of those pieces instead of 8. So because of that, 10 over 11 is bigger than 8 over 11. Okay, you getting the hang of this? One more. 12 over 10. Okay, you got this. You know 12 over 10 is bigger than 1. So the question is 12 over, let's use this green, is 12 over 10, does that go here? Or does it go here? Is it bigger or smaller than 12 over 9? Well, let's look. So we have 12 tenths versus 12 ninths. You may say, okay, I have a candy bar. That's cut up into 10 pieces, and this one's cut up into 9 pieces. I offer you 12 of each of those. And you like candy bars, so what are you going to do? Well, you may say, wait a second, 10 is more pieces, but it's the same size candy bar as the 9-piecer. So that means each of these pieces are bigger. So 12 ninths is bigger. So that means that 12 tenths has to be less than 12 over 9. Now, as always with this video, please, please, please don't hesitate to pause, rewind. That's why it's a video, okay? So let's order these. So if I order them, okay, so now, but this is ordered from least to greatest. Least to greatest. Ooh, I put 12 over 9, sorry. What I want is from greatest to least. So now that I have it ordered already, I just got to flip the order. So my biggest fraction is 12 ninths, followed by 12 tenths, followed by 10 tenths, followed by 10 elevenths, followed by 8 elevenths. And that is greatest to smallest. So now if you want, if we take out these, we know 12 ninths. There we go. So it's either this one or this one. And then we have 12 tenths. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Let's do one more. So 3/11, all these cool fractions. So let's do what we did before. Do a number line. 0, 1, 2. Start with 3/11ths. Oh wait, 3/11ths totally less than 1. Okay? So bam. Oh no, yellow, sorry. 3/11ths, bam. 3/11ths. 6/11ths, also less than 1, but bigger than 3/11ths. Okay? Now we have 10/6. 10/6. Is that bigger or less than 1? Well, that's bigger than 1. So 10/6. Next, 10/5. Oh man, these are always tricky. Well, if I have a candy bar that's in 6 pieces, and I have a candy bar that's in 5 pieces, 5 pieces would have more bar per piece. So 10/5 is totes bigger than 10/6. And finally, we have 6/6. Wait, that's a whole bar. So that's 1. 1 is just 6/6. There we go. And now we have it in order from smallest to biggest. Well, bam. There we go. Not too shabby. Good work, y'all. Do I have any more of those? Nope.